Have you been going to bed late, struggling to fall asleep, and waking up the next morning feeling completely drained? What if one simple change tonight could dramatically improve your energy and focus in 2026? According to science, that's actually possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make that change. Most people focus heavily on building the perfect morning routine, but here's something many people overlook. What you do before going to sleep can be even more powerful. Your nighttime habits influence how your brain recovers while you sleep. They affect your energy levels, your mental clarity, and your motivation the next day. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple, science-backed night routine that can help you sleep better, feel more focused, and wake up with more energy. And the best part? It's much easier than you might expect. So let's get started. Why night habits matter. Here's something most people don't realize. Your body isn't just off while you sleep. During the night, your brain is busy repairing cells, organizing memories from the day, clearing mental clutter, and restoring your energy. All of this happens according to your circadian rhythm, your body's internal 24-hour clock. This rhythm determines when you feel alert, focused, calm, or tired. But when your nights are chaotic, filled with late-night scrolling, caffeine, and constant worrying about tomorrow, that rhythm gets disrupted. Over time, this doesn't just affect sleep, it can reduce focus, disturb your mood, drain motivation, and even impact your long-term health. So the real question isn't simply, how can I fall asleep faster? A better question is, how can I use my evenings to support the best version of myself? Because the way you end your day strongly influences how you live your life. Habit 1. Digital detox. Screens don't only steal your time, they confuse your brain. The blue light from phones, laptops, and televisions tells your brain that it's still daytime. This delays the release of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Even an hour of scrolling before bed can push your sleep schedule back by 30 to 60 minutes. And the problem isn't just the light. Social media notifications keep your mind stimulated, videos keep triggering dopamine, and your brain stays in reaction mode. So when you finally lie down, your body may feel tired, but your mind is still racing. Instead, try creating a digital sunset. About an hour before bedtime, turn off your screens. No phone, no laptop, no endless scrolling. Use that time to slow down, read a few pages of a book, write in a journal, stretch lightly, or simply sit quietly and relax. This signals to your brain that the day is ending and it's time to rest. With consistency, you'll notice something powerful. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up feeling clearer, calmer, and more refreshed. Habit 2. Evening reflection and journaling. This habit isn't about filling pages with random thoughts. It's about mentally closing your day. Many people carry the entire day into bed with them. Unfinished conversations, stressful moments, mistakes, worries about tomorrow. That mental clutter keeps your brain active when it should be resting. Journaling helps you release those thoughts. Research shows that writing for just a few minutes can reduce cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. You don't need much time. Even 10 minutes is enough. Try writing 3 small wins from your day, a few things you're grateful for, or anything that has been weighing on your mind. This simple habit tells your brain that the day has been processed and it's okay to relax. Habit 3. Relaxation rituals. Your body doesn't instantly switch from work mode to sleep mode. It needs a signal that the day is winding down. That's where a relaxation ritual helps. It doesn't need to be complicated or long. It can be something simple, like slow breathing exercises, light stretching, gentle yoga, or drinking a warm herbal tea such as chamomile. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. These activities activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest and recovery. Your heart rate slows, your muscles relax, and your mind begins to settle. Research shows that people who follow a nightly relaxation routine often fall asleep significantly faster. Sleep doesn't start when you get into bed, it starts when you begin to wind down. Habit 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should send one clear signal to your brain. This is a place for rest. Science shows that your sleep environment directly affects how deeply you sleep.
The ideal sleep setup is a cool temperature, around 16 to 19 degrees Celsius or 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. A dark room with minimal light, a quiet space with little noise. Cool temperatures help your body relax. Darkness encourages melatonin production, and quiet surroundings keep your nervous system calm. You don't need to redesign everything overnight. Small adjustments help. Use blackout curtains, turn off small LED lights, remove clutter around your bed. Your bedroom shouldn't feel like a workspace. It should feel like a calm sanctuary. Habit 5. Consistent sleep schedule. When it comes to sleep, consistency is incredibly important. Your body thrives on rhythm. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, your circadian rhythm becomes stable. Eventually, falling asleep becomes automatic. You stop fighting your sleep schedule because your body knows exactly what to do. Even on weekends, try to stay close to your usual timing. This simple habit can dramatically improve sleep quality. When your body trusts the rhythm, it rewards you with more energy, better focus, and greater mental clarity. Example of a simple night routine. A healthy evening routine doesn't need to be extreme. It simply needs to be intentional. For example, start with a digital sunset 1 hour before bed. Spend a few minutes journaling or reflecting on your day. Follow that with a short relaxation ritual, deep breathing, stretching, or herbal tea. Make sure your room is cool, dark, and quiet, and stick to a consistent bedtime schedule. When you practice this regularly, something powerful happens. You don't just sleep better, you wake up feeling clearer, calmer, and stronger. Final message. Your nights may be even more powerful than your mornings. If you want better energy, sharper focus, and a calmer life in 2026, the change doesn't start tomorrow morning. It starts tonight. You don't need to adopt every habit at once. Just start with one. Maybe it's turning off your phone earlier. Maybe it's writing for 5 minutes. Or maybe it's simply going to bed at the same time. Small habits repeated every night quietly shape your future. If you commit to just one habit tonight, you're already moving forward. And if this video helped you rethink your nights, feel free to support the channel. Sleep well, dream big, and I'll see you in the next video.